Please like and subscribe my channel. This is the topic on newspaper. Newspaper is a kind of paper in which we read new things. Newspaper daily gives us new things that is happening, happen or happened in future. Newspaper, we can read those things that is happening in our country. In newspapers, we can also read those things that is happening in foreign countries. In newspaper, we can read also some interesting things like puzzles, riddles, difference between pictures, jokes, facts, etc. Some people read newspaper for knowing new things about his or her country or in foreign countries, and some people read newspaper for boost his or her current affairs. Newspaper concerned with different aspects of life such as business, sport, literature, medical, accident, education and religion, etc. The spread of education has created much interest for reading in public. Newspaper in trade and commerce of prices and rates of commodities are published in India. In newspaper, we can read about medicines, purchase of cars, examination results, etc. At present, every educated person likes to read newspaper all over the world. A newspaper is more than a news sheet. In newspaper, there are so many sheets. Newspaper will play an important part in shaping density of the country in the future because no democratic government can ever afford public criticism. Newspapers are very interesting and they news our knowledge. Hikes Bengal Gazette was the first newspaper of India. Today in India there is so many newspaper in India and in many languages like Hindi, English, Tamil, Marathi, etc. In so many languages, newspapers are published in India and foreign countries. Newspapers are Dainik Jagran, Dainik Bhaskar, The Times of India, Hindustan Dainik, Amar Ujala, Mathrubhumi, etc. are some newspapers of India. Some popular newspapers of India are Dainik Bhaskar is number 1 newspaper of India. Dainik Jagran, Times of India, Hindustan Talk are in the position of its place. Acta Dorina was first newspaper of the world. The Irish Echo, Epoch Times, International New York Times, The Wall Street Journal Asia, The Wall Street Journal Europe, etc. are some foreign newspapers. The German language relation Eller Furneman and Genuine Historian printed from 1605 onwards by John Calvus in Strasbourg. A newspaper is a serial publication which contains news on current events of a special or general interest. The individual parts are listed chronologically or numerically and appears frequently, usually at least once a week, but sometimes fortnightly or month. Thank you for watching my video.